G'day, what I got here is my little CZ455. It's got an MDT chassis on it. It's not the current Gen 2, it's the original. And I've got a little Vortex Crossfire 3 to 12 power scope on top. It's got a carbon fibre sleeve and a muzzle brake on it. I'll show you a bit on that in a minute. I'll take 5 shots and then I'll take 5 shots without the muzzle brake and carbon sleeve on. So that was 5 shots. I had one swing to the left, but the other 4 weren't too bad as a group. I'll just take this sleeve off. Obviously it's not as pretty now. I don't know if the carbon sleeve and the muzzle brake actually tune the gun, but that's the muzzle brake and that's the sleeve. Okay, so 5 shots, 50 metres, without the carbon sleeve and without the muzzle brake. Okay, the grouping's not quite as good. I don't know if it's just me or it actually does help having the carbon sleeve and the muzzle brake on the gun. I'll give you a close-up soon.